Yo, what's good everyone? It's MJO23Dan back with another video, and today's video I want to go over 5 things that Nike and Jordan Brand can change in 2018. So before I get started, you guys can see here on my wall that it is empty. I have no pickups yet for 2018. The year has kind of gotten off to a slow start. Well, it's actually gotten to a pretty exciting start. My wife and I had just bought a brand new Lexus IS 300 and she wanted something a little bit more sporty, so we still have a lease. It's a Honda Accord, it's 2015. We're going to be returning that and we're going to be focusing on this IS 300. Now, I probably had a little bit more influence on her than she did on me, but I wanted to steer away from the European type cars. I already have a Mini and that's paid off. It's a 2005 Mini Cooper S and it's been like my first car, I guess my real first purchase when I entered college. Before that I had a 1992 Honda Civic DX 4-door. Like, I didn't even need a 4-door car when you're like a teenager. You're not having a family at that point.
Mind your business.
But anyways, besides all that, the car stuff, we spent a lot of money, so January's just been pretty chill. I haven't picked up any sneakers at all. And, you know, to be honest with you, January hasn't really been an exciting month as far as sneakers are concerned. Now, we have the Levi 4s that just dropped, and to me, honestly, that pair is pretty hyped. I wasn't really feeling it. It was pretty limited. I saw people distressing it already, bleaching it. I thought that was pretty neat, but then like those types of things, I think you really need to just beat up and just let it just go. So with other sneakers that came out this month, we have the Jordan 32 MVP. I thought that was pretty nice. It's a nice color. The gray Flyknit is pretty awesome. MVP on the back of a tongue. It's supposed to pay tribute to Michael Jordan's first MVP in 1988. Then we had the Jordan 1 Flyknit, and then the Equality, and then Russell Westbrook's first signature shoe, which is the Why Not 0.1. Now that shoe, to be honest with you, I don't really like the graphic on there. I'm sure the sneaker is pretty awesome. Check out Nightwing2303's and Wear Tester's review on that product. Him and the crew give a pretty good breakdown of that sneaker in general, so check it out. And then I already spoke about the Jordan 4 Retro, and then we come down to the Olive, which drops on the 20th of this month. Now, why are we using suede on the upper? I really think that the suede on there looks pretty ashy. It doesn't make it a good look at all. The toe has suede as well. It should have just kept it with a leather toe, a mesh top, or even leather on top. I thought it would just work perfect like that. I think it was overdone. Jordan Brand pretty much overthought this sneaker when it was just something that was supposed to be pretty simple. Something as simple as the Olive 9, or just even re-release the Olive 9. Anyways, there's a lot more surprises hopefully for 2018. There always is for Jordan and Nike. So anyways, besides the rest of the, and we do have one more sneaker that's pretty cool too, is the Jordan 18 in the Royal. We have the Jordan 18 in the Sport Royal. Now these are the OGs. If you check out my receipt here, you can see that I picked it up at the Las Vegas Premium Outlet and for a price of 99 bucks. 99 bucks. Now, if we're ever gonna get down to that price on, I guess they're limiting this shoe, I don't think that we'll get down to that price. So if you do want a pair and you're waiting for the pair and you're glad that the Retro is finally here, I'd do it. Double stack zoom in the heel, awesome comfort. A totally premium leather upper, awesome. You got, come on. This sole is beastly too as well. So the wide toe, one of the greatest features that I like about that is the wide toe. It fits great. I remember fitting these back in the day as well. I kept a dead stock pair for myself, but I wore a pair because they were so cheap to get back in the day, just beat around. The other great colorway also is the Sport Royal, the black suede, pardon me. That pair is awesome as well. It came with a towel and a suede brush. I think those little, and even like the manual where it told you like the whole tech spec of like the sneaker itself. I thought it was a great addition to the packaging itself. So anyways, I'm not sure how the retro would be. I would love to do a comparison, but I'm not looking to purchase the sneaker, so we'll see how that goes. Anyways, getting to the meat and potatoes of the video, we have the top 5 things that I think should happen with Nike and Jordan in 2018. So in my videos previous to this, I had 2017, I had 2016. Now when it comes to availability, which I would rank as number 5, Jordan Brand is limiting, or I mean rumored to limit, the sneakers that are coming out in 2018. Now how I feel about that, not quite sure. It hasn't really affected anyone yet, but you know, who is texting me? But coming down the line, I'm not sure if we're going to be affected. We'll see. Let's see how that goes, but hopefully availability is not going to be a problem in 2018, because I just thought in 2016, 2017, you know, coming into 2018, I thought availability was great. You were able to cop the sneakers that you wanted, you know, given that some pairs and some colorways sat on shelves, but it was there. It was there for you if you wanted to get it. If there was a sale down the road, I think it was a great, you know, addition to what Jordan and Nike are doing in previous years. So hopefully availability doesn't change. Let's keep it at where it is. So number 4, we have collabs. I spoke about collabs in previous videos as well. I'm pretty much just gonna go over the entire list again and see where this list leads to in 2018. So collabs. Right now we have off the bat the Levi collab. You can see how successful that's been. Other previous ones have been with KAWS, with different artists such as Kendrick Lamar, Virgil Abloh. You know, these are all great collabs, and I think Nike and Jordan Brand are doing a great job with that. You know, given the hype and, you know, the way sneakers are kind of like moving into, it's not really about the athlete too much anymore. So we all know that Nike basketball is pretty much suffering. But I don't know, who knows? Well, they'll probably get back up there, and the whole like wind shift pattern and everything like that will all come together again, or you know, flip around and, you know, change directions. So who knows what happens with collabs, but it's pretty exciting to see in 2018, so look out for that. So number 3 is giveaways. Man, I don't think we've really seen anything since like the Kobe 11 drop, when Nike basketball was giving out random pairs of Kobe's sneaker, like his last sneaker for his last season, in different countries, different areas in the United States. So I think giveaways are another way to, you know, let the brands know that they appreciate the customers, and maybe even work hand in hand with like collabs and see, like, you know, like for example, like the Gatorade pack. I thought there could have been like some type of redemption. You can get like a coupon or like a free bottle of Gatorade along with your pair or something like that. I know some areas were, or some accounts were giving away like the actual squirt bottle, the Gatorade green squirt bottle that was included in a Gatorade pack. So I think some of that, like those little things, are just something that people can appreciate and look forward to when they're copping sneakers in 2018. So just below that, we have packaging as number 2 on the list. Again, let's go back to the Gatorade packaging. The bottle cap inspired lid on the box of the Gatorade 6, even the Gatorade 1s and stuff like that, it's been great. I love it. Could we see better packaging, probably better storytelling? I think so. I think storytelling is a great proponent to actually engaging the people. My dog, sorry. What's up, Cooper? This is my 12-year-old, well, soon to be 12-year-old Chihuahua. So what was I talking about? So yeah, packaging is just something that I think will pretty much bring the customer in, and just something that, you know, is a little bit more appreciative. Like for example, the Space Jams of 2016, I thought that was great packaging. Could I see a little bit more influence of Space Jam in it? Yeah, but overall, like the underside of the lid I thought was great with the stars and everything like that. Virgil Abloh's idea of deconstructing a sneaker, maybe even have like a deconstructed box. I thought that would be pretty cool. But yeah, I think packaging overall, I think just really needs a little bit more work. Let's just make something interesting, make something cool. Like, I think it can go beyond sneakers. You know, create something with the package that actually draws the individual in. And then the number one piece in my list is pricing. Pricing hasn't really changed much over the years. You know, you really get $190 for a retro, you know, $225 for a higher end, or maybe like $400. It's been pretty consistent. Of course, like anybody else, I would love to see that the prices drop. Air Jordan 1s pretty much go for $160. I could like see it drop down hopefully to like $140. You know, they always go on sale, so I mean, pricing isn't something that is like gonna shy me away from a sneaker. It's the nostalgic aspect of it, you know what I mean? Like, that's what sneakers do for me. But anyways, that's that. Let me know what you guys think about those 5 things: availability, collabs, giveaways, packaging, and pricing. Let me know what you guys think. What are your thoughts about it? Drop it down in the comment section below. If you guys liked the video, hit me with a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you like the content. Hopefully I'll be able to give you guys more videos along the way in 2018. And I'm sorry this took a little bit, but you know, again, 2018 has just been really starting off for a slow start for me. But I look forward to, you know, speaking about it, you know, as the year goes on, and my thoughts and perspective on sneakers in general. So anyways, Happy New Year again if I haven't even said that yet. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, hit me with a big thumbs up. Talk to you guys later. Take care. Bye guys, bye.